In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add approvals to custom workflows in Wrike. We'll walk through a simple, practical example so you can see exactly how an approval gets added, who it's assigned to, and how to kick it off as part of your existing workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and open the relevant space or folder where your custom workflow lives. On screen, you'll see your usual project or task list view. This is the area where you manage work items, and it's also where you'll be able to open up the panel for adding an approval. Next, click into the specific item you want to attach an approval to. This might be a task, a project, or any work item that follows your custom workflow. When you click it, a detail panel will open on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you can see things like status, assignees, dates, and any existing approvals. Inside that panel, look for the section where approvals are managed. You'll see an option to add a new approval. Go ahead and click on Add Approval. This creates a new approval block that you can configure for this particular task or part of your workflow. You'll now see an area where you can choose who should be the approver. Click into the highlighted field to open the list of users and stakeholders in your account. From this list, select the person or people who need to review and approve the work. This could be a manager, a client, or anyone responsible for sign-off. Selecting the right approver here ensures they're notified and can track the approval directly in Wrike. Once the approver is selected, the next important piece is timing. Click on Set Due Date for the approval. This opens a calendar where you can pick the exact date you want the approval to be completed by. Choose the date that makes sense in your timeline. In this example, we're selecting the 28th as the deadline. Setting a due date keeps the approval from stalling your workflow and gives the approver a clear expectation. With the approver chosen and the due date set, you're ready to launch the approval. Click on Start. Wrike will now send the necessary notifications, track the status of the approval, and integrate it into your custom workflow so you can see when it's pending, approved, or needs changes. And that's the full process. Open your item, add an approval, assign the approver, choose the due date, and start the approval so it becomes a formal, trackable step in your custom workflow.